there, beauty lovers. Welcome to Beautyistic, where we break down the best in beauty, one product at a time. Today, we're talking about a staple in many makeup bags, the Tarte Sex Kitten Eyeliner. If you're looking for an eyeliner that promises precision, bold color, and a blendable finish, you're in the right place. Let's see how this one stacks up. The Tarte Sex Kitten Eyeliner comes in a sleek pencil form with a semi-matte finish in a rich black color. It's designed to deliver smooth, intense color in one swipe, making it a perfect option for those who want a bold look without having to go over and over the same line. The best part? It's got that blendable feature, which makes it a great choice for those who like a soft, smoky eye, or for adding a little more drama to their lash line. When it comes to ingredients, this eyeliner is infused with a blend of skin-loving components, making it safe for sensitive eyes, and it's also cruelty-free, a big plus if you're conscious about your beauty choices. But let's be real, performance is everything when it comes to eyeliners. So how did it fare? I incorporated this eyeliner into my usual makeup routine, applying it during the day for a more natural look, and again in the evening for a bit more glam. The pencil was smooth and easy to apply, giving me the control I needed for a precise line or even a smudged, sultry look when I felt like getting creative. It's been consistently long-wearing, with no smudging or fading throughout the day, which is a huge win, especially for those of us with long days. But when you blend it out, the color softens into this gorgeous smoky look that still holds its intensity. It's really versatile that way. One of the main things I noticed was how easily the pencil glides across the skin. The texture is creamy enough to avoid tugging, but not so soft that it breaks easily, which is always a risk with more fragile eyeliners. It's a good balance, giving you control over your application. Now for the pros. It's incredibly easy to use, especially for anyone who's not super experienced with eyeliner. The formula is smooth, and the finish is just the right amount of semi-matte, neither too shiny nor too flat. Plus, it's blendable, so if you want to take your look from day to night, this eyeliner can help create that effortless smoky eye. But, of course, no product is perfect. The pencil design, while sleek, does require regular sharpening, which could be a bit of a hassle for those who prefer twist-up formulas. Plus, while it's highly pigmented, it's not waterproof, so if you're expecting it to withstand sweat or a watery eye situation, you may want to layer it with a primer or opt for a waterproof version. So, does this eyeliner justify its price? Well, for its performance, the quality is definitely on point. The blendability, smooth application, and long-lasting finish make it worth the investment if you're looking for a reliable, everyday eyeliner that can do a bit more. However, if you're on a budget or need something that won't budge through tears or a long workout, there are other options out there. If you're someone who loves the Tarte brand or wants a pencil that can deliver that classic soft cat eye or smoky look, this is a great pick. For those who need a more robust waterproof option, you might need to look elsewhere. Now I'm curious. Have you tried the Tarte Sex Kitten Eyeliner? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your experiences. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on an honest beauty breakdown. Your support helps us keep making reviews like this for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.